Ready to brighten up your security game? Let's install the Blink Outdoor Floodlight camera and get your yard protected day and night. In the box, you've got everything you need to get started. The Blink Outdoor 4 camera, the sync module, the floodlight mount, the mounting hardware, and 2 AA lithium batteries, and a USB-C cable that connects the camera to the floodlight. You can pick up the floodlight with the Blink Outdoor 4 camera as a bundle, or if you already have the Outdoor 4, you can just grab the floodlight separately and connect it to your Outdoor 4.
Today we're setting up our floodlight with an Outdoor 4, but the mount is also compatible with the Outdoor 2K+.
In the Blink Home Monitor app, you'll want to go to Add Device and select Outdoor 4 Floodlight Camera. The app will guide you through the entire process. Before we mount anything, let's power it up. The floodlight uses 4 D-cell batteries, and good news, they're already installed. Just slide off the wall mounting bracket, then twist to remove the back cover. Press the side buttons on the battery lid to open the compartment, then pull out the battery tabs. And once the tabs are out, use the back cover to press the batteries firmly into place. One quick note, the LED lights will flash when you reattach the cover. Try not to look directly at them, they're a little bright. Then rotate the back cover until it locks. Next, let's set up your camera. In the Blink Home Monitor app, you'll be asked whether you're adding a new Outdoor 4 camera or connecting to one that's already set up. If you're adding a new camera, just follow the prompts in the app. And if your Outdoor 4 is already set up, select Camera is already set up and continue from there. And if you need help setting up a new camera, check out our full installation video for the Blink Outdoor 4. Next, prep your Outdoor 4 camera. You're gonna start by sliding off the USB-C cover on the bottom, but don't toss it. You'll need it if you ever remove the floodlight. Now, plug in the USB-C cable from the mount to the side of your camera. It should fit snugly and seal completely for weather protection. The mount will automatically connect to your camera, and you'll see a pop-up in the Blink app confirming the floodlight's connected. Now, click your camera onto the swivel neck of the mount until it snaps into place. Finally, it's time to mount your Blink Outdoor 4 floodlight. You've got a few options for mounting: on a wall, tree, fence, or even siding. The kit includes a mounting bracket, 3 screws with wall anchors, and a siding hook for no drill installs. Use the bracket for fences and walls. Just line it up, screw it in, and slide the floodlight onto it from right to left until it clicks. Using vinyl siding, the T-shaped hook slides right under a panel, no tools needed. Once mounted, use Live View in the app to frame your shot, then adjust the swivel and light panels to get your perfect angle. That's it. Your Blink Outdoor 4 floodlight camera is installed and ready to go. For more how-tos and smart home tips, hit subscribe and check out the rest of our Blink Setup series. Thanks for watching.